Across a massive industrial complex, the smart factory operates at extraordinary scale, stretching across endless production halls. Inside, synchronized robotic systems move in perfect coordination across the expansive manufacturing floor. Long automated assembly lines carry identical metallic components in continuous motion. Autonomous guided vehicles transport raw metallic blocks efficiently across the factory floor. Robotic unloading systems lift each metallic block with precise mechanical control. Laser scanning systems analyze every surface to verify material integrity. Robotic forklifts position raw materials into organized storage racks. Overhead conveyors transfer raw materials toward the preparation zone without delay. Precision cutting machines shape each metallic block into standardized dimensions. High-accuracy measurement sensors verify exact dimensional consistency. Advanced vision systems inspect each component's surface for imperfections. Automated sorting systems remove defective pieces while approved units continue forward. Robotic cleaning mechanisms eliminate fine metallic particles before processing. Air filtration systems maintain clean and controlled production conditions. Prepared components move seamlessly into the main assembly hall. Multi-axis robotic arms position each component into secure assembly fixtures. Automated fastening systems apply calibrated torque with consistent pressure. Integrated sensors monitor fastening accuracy in real time. Overhead gantry systems transport partially assembled units to the next station. Robotic welding arms create precise, controlled seams along each metallic structure. Thermal monitoring ensures weld temperatures remain within optimal limits. Vibration sensors track machinery stability during continuous operation. Robotic alignment systems fine-tune positioning with microscopic precision. Automated drilling systems create uniform structural openings. Robotic insertion units install internal components with exact placement. Fastening systems secure internal assemblies to maintain structural integrity. Embedded monitoring sensors are integrated directly into the metallic unit. Robotic polishing systems smooth the surface for uniform finish quality. Automated coating nozzles apply a protective layer with consistent thickness. Curing chambers stabilize coated units under controlled temperature conditions. Curing chambers stabilize coated units under controlled temperature conditions.